I just came back from my retreat the last time from Friday to Sunday. I didn't have my camera, so I didn't post a video last week, but I will try to post 2 to 3 videos this week. And I don't have my mic on, so the audio will be horrible, but give me time to come back home and I will fix it. The retreat was amazing, and although I'm extremely tired, I just remember last week I received an email I wanted to show you. It's about traveling, it's about saving money for flights. So if you are as passionate as me about flying around the world, this will interest you a lot. Let's go, I'll show you. And now you can hear me properly. Let's start. So last week I received a mail from 2 YouTubers called Kara and Nate.
We are standing on the sea right now.
And their YouTube channel is about traveling. They are traveling around the world and they're showing people where they're going, and they give very good advice on traveling. And they started this website where you can subscribe paying 37 American dollars a year, and they send you notification of the mistakes that flying company do. So if they make a mistake on a flight, you can receive a notification based on your criteria, the airport where you want to start from and where you want to go. So for a flight from Australia to Europe, you can pay with return $700, $800. And I was so lucky because there is a similar website I'm subscribed in called Scotship Flights, where you can subscribe and they send you all the notification on the deals. And I'm going to Japan in October, and I just received an offer for $600 return from Perth to Tokyo. Unfortunately, I got my ticket a few months ago for $750, so it was already a cheap flight, but if I waited a little bit longer, it could have been cheaper. The service they offer costs just $37 a year, and if you want to save a lot of money while traveling, you can check it out. I will put a link in the description. And if it doesn't work for you, the best option I'm still subscribed to is Scotship Flight. I know for sure that a lot of people don't know about this, so have a look, see if it suits you. It's just $35 a year. If you think how much you spend every year for flights, I'm sure it's a lot, so you can save a lot of money and see amazing places for a lot of saving in return. That's it for this week. I just wanted to share this before I make a proper long video that will be released in the next days. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.